Hello, hello, I'm back. This is going to be a 2-month update, so some quick points. First of all, I dyed my hair black a little, maybe a few weeks after installation, so you might see a little bit of a difference with that. And I just wanted to show, so it's been almost 2 months since I first installed, and this is going to be the first time I'm doing an interlock, like a full interlock on my whole head. And so I just wanted to show just a little bit of the ones in the front. So the method I use is I'm just using a latch hook, the same way I did it before, but I'm just using a latch hook. Then I'm also wrapping some of the loose hairs um, around the lock because my hair is frizzy, which is expected, and it's manageable, but definitely frizzy. So I don't normally wrap it, but since I'm doing the full interlock, I figure I might as well. So anyway, I use a 4-point rotation and I'm using clips, but I'm only keeping the clips on for like maybe an hour because it's actually late, so it won't be on for long. And I'm super lazy. Like I only have 60 locks or something like that, and I am so lazy. Interlocking is a little bit more time consuming than twisting, but it stays way longer. And I wash my hair really often. I wash my hair like twice a week. So I like to interlock so that I don't have to worry about like the twists coming apart or anything like that. So anyway, my parts are kind of crazy. You can't really see them. I didn't really get footage, but the ones in the front are okay. And like the ones that you're seeing, most of those I've already done. But the ones in the back, they were kind of crazy. I had a lot of like locks trying to marry together at the root, stuff like that. So I had to do a lot of separating, and it's been taking me a while just for the back mainly because I'm trying to look in the mirror and it's just a lot going on with that. So that's been time consuming, and I've only been doing this like maybe I do like 10 each night. So this probably ended up taking me um, close to a week to do, which is okay. I'd rather just kind of do a little here and there than do a bunch all at once. Um, so yeah, in terms of like what I think about my locks so far, I really like them, and it's super super easy. Just like just like dealing with them. I don't have to do anything in the mornings. I mean, like a lot of times I wash my hair like before work, but the fact that I can wash my hair before work and I don't even really have to set aside more than like 5 extra minutes to just wash it real quick in the shower. I don't have to do anything once I get out. I just, I just put it in a bun like I always do and keep it moving. And my hair is shrinking a little bit as the locks are getting thicker. So my bun is changing every day. I know it's going to be harder to put in a bun as it continues to kind of shrink while it's really like maturing. So, but I'll find a way to work with that. And the latch hook that I'm using, it's kind of small for my locks, so that's another reason it takes a while. But it's what I have, and it's working so far. It's just a little small, but we make do. So yeah, that's my hair as of now, 2 months, and here are just a couple of styles that I've been rocking. Lots of Marley hair, lots of buns. Bye.